Nina Soft Spin Dryer. Let's unbox this product. Right when you open the box, you can use the handle. Just lift the handle and you can take the product out of the box. Open machine. And remove the styrofoam. You're gonna find in the drum the safety cover that should be placed on the top of the clothes and the instruction manual. It's really important to read the instruction manual. So let's go to the features. This is the lid lock. It also works as the on-off switch. When you close the lid and you lock it, the spin dryer will start working. To turn it off, just pull the handle. It will stop and activate the brake immediately. This is the drain spout, right in the front of the product. Before you start using your spin dryer, close the lid, put it upside down on the floor. You're going to find the shipping brackets. It's really important to remove the shipping brackets before you start using the spin dryer. There are two zip ties. Just cut the zip ties. And don't forget to remove them completely. And remove the metal bar. Now your spin dryer is ready to be used. Unwrap the power cord. Open your spin dryer and plug it to any regular power outlet. It's ready to use. The laundry alternative Nina Soft. It's a super spin dryer. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.